Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook sound problem. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, ensure that your phone is not muted, okay, or do not disturb is disabled. So go ahead and swipe down or open up your control center, and you'll be able to find the do not disturb button or focus mode if you're using iOS. Disable do not disturb or focus mode, and then once that's done, scroll down and find the mute function right here. Make sure that it is enabled. All right, not muted, just like so. Make sure that this one is enabled. And then once that's done, go ahead and swipe up, open up Facebook. Now, when you go out and find Reels, let's say this one is muted, you'll be able to see a mute button right here at the bottom right. So make sure that you go ahead and tap on it to unmute it. All right, this button right here. Just unmute it, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, while you're in the app, go ahead and press the volume up button of your phone. And then if you see this slider, well, that means you're good to go. You now then go ahead and hit on play, and an audio should play. Now, another reason why you can't hear sounds in your Facebook or any other app, let's say you have Bluetooth enabled. All right, and you're currently connected to an external Bluetooth headset, earphones, earbuds, whatever you may want to call it. So disable Bluetooth for now. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you fix Facebook sound problem. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.